Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the left engine mount of the transmission mount on Ford Focus CC 2 liters petrol. This car is equipped with the 2 liters petrol engine and engine code SYDA. The left engine mount is located just underneath the battery housing and the air filter housing, so first we need to remove the battery housing and the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the battery and air filter housing removed. Next I'm going to remove the battery housing. It's held by a couple of bolts. I'm also going to disconnect the ECU. You don't have to do it if it's not in your way, but I'm going to do it anyway. And now I have access to the left engine mount. That's it right there. The left engine mount is held by this bolt and 4 bolts on the 2 sides, 2 bolts on this side and 2 on that side. Before removing the bolts holding the engine mount, we need to hold the engine. I'm going to do that from the top with this engine jack. You can also do it from the bottom, maybe put your jack on the oil pan or on the transmission, and once the engine is being held, then you can start removing the bolts. First I'll start by removing the center bolt. That's the center bolt out. Next I'm going to remove the other 4 bolts. That's the 4 bolts removed. Now I'm going to remove this metal plate on top of the engine mount, and afterwards I'm going to remove the engine mount. And that's the engine mount out. That's what it looks like. I'll show you the part number for it here. Next I'm going to put the engine mount back on the car. First we need to put it in its place. We're going to put on the center bolt first and then the 4 nuts. Before putting on the 4 nuts, first we're going to put on this metal plate, and then we're going to put on the 4 nuts. Once you put on the 4 nuts and tighten them, then you're done with replacing the engine mount, and now the only thing left is to assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.